Imagine having your own personal AI assistant that not only understands commands but also performs complex multi-step tasks. Well, Manus AI just changed the game. Ever wondered how you would feel if you could just instruct an AI to write a blog post about the impact of AI on healthcare, and it does it? Welcome to the world of a Manus AI, where complex tasks are performed with simple commands. Manus AI is not just an AI tool, but a full-fledged autonomous AI agent. It's designed to go beyond simple tasks and dive into the realms of multi-step complexities, like scheduling meetings, drafting emails, or writing articles. Chapter 47. Let's break down what Manus AI actually does, step by step. First off, it's all about understanding. Manus AI can understand complex multi-step instructions. For example, if you tell Manus to research and write a report on the evolution of smartphone technology in the past decade, it gets it. It understands that it needs to research, compile information, and then write about it. Next, it's the planning part. Manus AI then breaks down the task into manageable steps. For the aforementioned task, it would first research the topic, then compile the information found, and lastly write the report. Then comes the action. Manus AI doesn't just plan the task, it performs it. It'll research the topic thoroughly, compile the facts and figures, and churn out a well-researched, comprehensive report. It doesn't stop there. Manus AI can also revise and refine the work based on your feedback. Let's say you want certain changes in the report. You can just instruct Manus, and it does the rest. But how does Manus AI perform these tasks? The answer lies in its hybrid AI model, which is a combination of machine learning algorithms and rule-based systems. This allows Manus not only to understand complex tasks, but also to perform them effectively. Here's an example. Scheduling a meeting. For most AI tools, this would mean going into your calendar, finding a free slot, and creating an event. But with Manus AI, it's a lot more than that. When you instruct Manus AI to schedule a meeting, it understands that it's a multi-step task. It checks everyone's availability, suggests suitable time slots, sends out invites, and if necessary, follows up on your behalf. Manus AI also has the ability to learn over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. For example, if you have a preferred meeting time, Manus AI will remember that and suggest that time slot first for future meetings. And here's the kicker. Manus AI can even write articles for you. Just give it a topic, and it will not only research and write, but it will also revise and refine based on your instructions. In a nutshell, Manus AI is an AI assistant that doesn't just assist, but delivers. It takes on complex tasks, breaks them down, completes them, and even refines them according to your feedback. The best part? You don't need any technical knowledge to use Manus AI. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to give instructions and get tasks done. But remember, as with any AI tool, it's not perfect. Manus AI is incredibly powerful, but it's only as effective as the instructions it's given. Be clear, be specific, and Manus AI will be a game changer. With Manus AI, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a personal AI assistant that can perform complex tasks autonomously. It's like hiring a virtual employee that works around the clock without breaks and never asks for a raise. So if you're looking for an AI tool that can handle more than just simple tasks, give Manus AI a shot. It just might change the way you work. That's about it for Manus AI. Be sure to subscribe to PlainAI for more reviews on AI tools. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI. End of video.